Besham City is a small town in northern Pakistan, nestled in the heart of the mountains. This quaint town is often overlooked by many, but it holds a charm that is hard to find elsewhere. The town is surrounded by towering peaks and lush greenery, making it a picturesque location that seems almost too beautiful to be real. The serene environment and the breathtaking views make Besham a hidden gem in the region. It sits where the Karakoram and Himalayas meet, creating a unique landscape that is both rugged and majestic. The convergence of these two mighty mountain ranges forms a natural wonder that attracts geologists, adventurers, and nature lovers from around the world. The dramatic scenery is a testament to the raw power of nature, with jagged peaks and deep valleys that tell the story of the Earth's geological history, making Besham a gateway to adventure. For those seeking thrills and excitement, Besham offers numerous opportunities for trekking, hiking, and mountaineering. The trails that start from Besham lead to some of the most challenging and rewarding climbs in the world. Whether you are an experienced mountaineer or a novice hiker, the mountains around Besham provide an adventure that is both exhilarating and fulfilling. People travel from all over to see the mountains. The allure of the towering peaks and the pristine environment draws tourists from every corner of the globe. Photographers, artists, and nature enthusiasts find endless inspiration in the stunning vistas and the ever-changing play of light and shadow on the mountains. The sense of awe and wonder that the mountains evoke is a universal experience that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. The town sits beside the Indus River, and it is a place of stunning beauty. The river with its crystal-clear waters adds to the charm of Besham. The sound of the flowing water provides a soothing backdrop to the town's tranquil atmosphere. The river is not only a source of natural beauty, but also a lifeline for the local communities, supporting agriculture and providing a habitat for various species of wildlife. Besham is a starting point for many treks and a place to experience nature. The town serves as a base camp for numerous expeditions into the surrounding mountains. Nature enthusiasts can explore the diverse flora and fauna of the region, with opportunities to see rare and endangered species in their natural habitat. The trails around Besham offer a chance to connect with nature in a profound and meaningful way, away from the distractions of modern life. The air is clean and crisp, and the people are friendly and welcoming. The residents of Besham are known for their hospitality and warmth. Visitors often find themselves welcomed into homes and treated like family. The sense of community and the slower pace of life in Besham provide a refreshing contrast to the hustle and bustle of city living. The clean mountain air and the friendly interactions with locals make Besham a place where visitors can truly relax and rejuvenate. Besham is a place to relax and enjoy the scenery, to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The town offers numerous spots where visitors can sit back and take in the natural beauty that surrounds them. Whether it's a quiet moment by the river or a leisurely walk through the town, Besham provides a perfect escape from the stresses of everyday life. The serene environment and the stunning landscapes make it an ideal destination for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. The town has a rich history and was once an important trading post. Besham's strategic location made it a key point on ancient trade routes, connecting different regions and cultures. The remnants of this historical significance can still be seen in the town's architecture and cultural heritage. Exploring Besham is like taking a step back in time, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of history that has shaped this unique town. The blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes Besham a truly special place to visit. Besham City sits at the confluence of two mighty rivers. The Indus River flows down from Tibet, while the Swat River cuts through the Swat Valley. They meet in Besham, creating a spectacle of nature. The waters are a beautiful turquoise blue, thanks to the glacial meltwater. The rivers are an important part of life in Besham, providing water for irrigation and a source of fish for the local people. The rivers offer opportunities for adventure, like whitewater rafting or kayaking, and even a leisurely boat ride. Besham City is located in a region of diverse flora and fauna. Nestled in the heart of nature, this city is a sanctuary for a myriad of plant and animal species. The landscape here is a living canvas painted with the vibrant hues of countless flowers and the lush greens of dense forests. It's a place where nature thrives in its purest form, offering a glimpse into the incredible biodiversity that our planet has to offer. The lower elevations are covered in pine forests, creating a serene and tranquil environment. These forests are not just a visual treat, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. They provide habitat for numerous species of birds, insects, and mammals, making them a vital part of the ecosystem. Walking through these forests, one can hear the symphony of chirping birds and rustling leaves, a melody that soothes the soul. And higher up, you will find alpine meadows. These meadows are a sight to behold, especially during the blooming season when they are carpeted with a variety of colorful flowers. The alpine meadows are not just beautiful, but also support a unique set of flora and fauna adapted to the high-altitude conditions. It's a place where one can truly appreciate the resilience and adaptability of nature. The mountains are home to a variety of animals such as snow leopards, ibex and markhor. These majestic creatures are a testament to the rich wildlife that Besham City harbors. The elusive snow leopard, with its thick fur and powerful build, is perfectly adapted to the cold, rugged terrain. The ibex and markhor, with their impressive horns, navigate the steep slopes with ease, showcasing their incredible agility and strength. Birdwatchers will also enjoy Besham, as the skies are filled with colorful birds like eagles, vultures and lammergeiers. These birds of prey are a spectacular sight, soaring high above the mountains with grace and power. The diversity of bird species in Besham is astounding, making it a paradise for ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Each bird, with its unique call and flight pattern, adds to the symphony of nature that defines this region. The best time to see the wildflowers is in the spring, when the hillsides are ablaze with color, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry. The wildflowers, with their myriad hues and delicate petals, create a breathtaking spectacle that attracts visitors from far and wide. Each flower, no matter how small, contributes to the overall beauty of the scene, reminding us of the intricate and interconnected web of life. And the air is filled with the scent of wildflowers. This fragrant aroma, carried by the gentle breeze, adds another layer of sensory delight to the experience. It's a time when nature is at its most generous, offering a feast for the eyes, the nose, and the soul. Besham City, with its rich tapestry of life, is a testament to the beauty and diversity of our natural world. A place where one can truly connect with the wonders of nature. Besham City is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. There are many hiking and trekking trails in the surrounding mountains that offer stunning views. You can also go camping in the alpine meadows. Fishing is another popular activity, with the rivers teeming with trout. You can also go boating or rafting on the Indus River. Besham is a great place to experience the thrill of whitewater, with rapids that are challenging but manageable. Section 5. Beyond Besham's borders. Besham City is a great base for exploring the surrounding areas. The Khyber Valley is just a short drive away. This valley is known for its beauty. It has lush green meadows, towering waterfalls and snow-capped mountains. The Naran Valley is another popular destination. It is home to Lake Saiful-Muluk. This lake is said to be one of the most beautiful in Pakistan. It is surrounded by snow-capped mountains. The water is a beautiful turquoise blue. Section 6. Planning your journey to Besham. The best time to visit Besham City is in the spring or autumn. The weather is pleasant during these months. The skies are clear, offering stunning views of the mountains. The summer months can be very hot. There are a variety of accommodation options available in Besham. You can find guest houses, hotels and campsites. It is advisable to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season. There are also a few restaurants in town. Section 7. Besham, a world apart. Besham City is different from other tourist destinations in Pakistan. Nestled in the heart of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, it offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that sets it apart from the more commercialized tourist spots. It is a place of unspoiled beauty. The scenic mountain landscapes and lush green valleys create a picturesque setting that feels almost otherworldly. The untouched nature here is a testament to the region's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The people are friendly and welcoming. Local shopkeepers and residents greet visitors with warm smiles and open hearts, making you feel right at home. Their hospitality is one of the many reasons why Besham leaves a lasting impression on those who visit. The pace of life is slow and relaxed. People here take the time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, whether it's a leisurely walk in the park or a quiet moment by the riverside. This unhurried lifestyle is a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of city life. This makes Besham the perfect place to escape the crowds. For those seeking solitude and peace, there are numerous secluded spots and peaceful trails to explore. It's an ideal destination for anyone looking to disconnect and recharge. Besham is also a very affordable destination. The cost of living here is low, making it accessible for travelers on a budget. From small budget hotels to inexpensive local eateries, you can enjoy a fulfilling experience without breaking the bank. Accommodation and food are both very reasonably priced. You can savor traditional Pakistani cuisine at local restaurants without worrying about the cost. The affordability of Besham makes it a great option for those who want to experience the culture and beauty of Pakistan without spending a fortune. This makes Besham a great option for budget travelers. Backpackers and budget-conscious tourists will find plenty to love here. The town offers a range of activities and experiences that cater to those looking to make the most of their travel funds. The town is safe for tourists. Families and solo travelers alike can explore Besham with peace of mind. The community is tight-knit and the crime rate is low, making it a secure destination for all. However, it is always advisable to be aware of your surroundings. While Besham is generally safe, it's important to stay vigilant and mindful of your environment, just as you would in any other travel destination. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience. Section 8. A Call to the Wild. Besham City is a place that will stay with you long after you leave. It is a place of stunning natural beauty. It offers a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. If you are looking for an adventure, Besham is the place for you. Come and experience the magic of Besham City. Explore the mountains, rivers and valleys. Meet the friendly people. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Besham is waiting to welcome you.